Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Epson XP-6100, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up, how to enable screensaver on your device. Firstly, you should find settings, then choose OK. Scroll down, find here basic settings and click OK. And here we have screensaver. And we can disable it or click memory card data. In this way, screensaver will be enabled and it will show pictures from memory card. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.